Welcome to day 4 of Intraday Market Focused. So, as you can see today, we're gonna be analyzing only NASDAQ and US30. Reason being is that these pairs, we do trade them within our live session at 3 p.m. Today we're gonna start a bit earlier because we do have the gross domestic product of USA. So please do join in a bit earlier, an hour earlier than usual, okay? So of course today we're gonna break down what happened yesterday's live session. It played out all to the T. This is day 4 of consistency, just using smart money concepts. So we're gonna break it down and then we're gonna get to predict what's gonna happen today. So make sure you watch till the end, you like this video and share it with your friends and family. God bless you. So as you can see here, I am on NASDAQ on the 15 minutes chart. If you watched yesterday's broadcast, you did see we called it out at this level and we started buying it. This was our take profit 1, and of course it only kicked us out at take profit 1 and then the rest was break even. I'm not sure how the rest of the YouTube community did actually manage that, but on my side I was able to take profit and then the rest I was able to trail stop and it was just kicked out on break even. Okay, but as you can see, this was an absolute beautiful setup according to structure over there, and we in a demand level and the market sort of took out or re-entered to a fair value gap. Okay, let's go to US30. It's just a small recap. US30 played out to the T, family. I'm not sure if multiple people did enter this or what, because this movement did not take place during the live session, but the setup was given during the live session. So for those who want recap, I mean, this was just amazing. Look at that. Look at that. This was a 1:2 because of the stop loss. I didn't want to make it like this. It would have been stupid for me. So something like this is much better off. Okay, to put it something like that, 1:2. And as you can see, this was absolutely beautiful. All the trade things are being explained within the live session, so I would like you to watch that, and we shouldn't waste any further time here. We want to focus on today. We thank God for yesterday, now we thank him for today, because more profits, more food for us over here. And do engage in the comment section of what you see on the markets together with me, if it's contrary or it's complementary to exactly what I'm also seeing on the markets. Again, there's no wrong opinion. This is just the markets, guys, okay? We are all learning here. Even myself, I'm still learning. By the way, we do have 50% off our mentorship Discord and mentorship course. So definitely, if you're interested in that, do take the number that you see on the screen or all the information that is in the description of this video. That special or that promotion will end on the 30th of June. So make sure those who have been planning on joining us for a very long time, this is your opportunity to take this. Okay, but we'll see you then. But let's go into the markets right now. I'm gonna start off with NASDAQ over here. Let me just close off this tab or just make it a bit smaller. Then we can actually see this markets now. Okay, so yesterday I spoke about the fair value gap. The market did not actually mitigate that fair value gap, but today it will mitigate. We are in a Thursday market and the market wants to finish off what it initiated as of Monday. So definitely Friday it was gonna probably start playing out the setup of the fair value gap. But let's just investigate what should happen today. Structure has been quite bullish. I mean, we never broke this demand over here. We never broke that. That demand could have been as well as a change of character for us, but we never broke those lows. So therefore we are still in this original trend here. This was just a deep pullback in that sense, if we can speak it like this. Okay, so but as you can see, I am actually predicting that the market should actually buy. Then from then on we can actually see sales going on. Why do I say that? We also do have this equal highs over here that the market may want to actually take. I am using a different monitor today, so at least you should see the markets a little bit much better on your phones. So as you can see, I do expect the market to sort of buy within these areas and then actually get to sell. I don't expect it to sell all the way. It should come back to retest this higher low that's been created at this moment, then break that, and then it will also get to retest that and go higher. Okay, so now I'm going way deeper. I will probably keep to the same sentiment even tomorrow. So when the market comes back to retest here, it will go higher, breaking this higher high that was created at that moment, and it will also come back to this fair value gap up here, retest it and sell, and then still go higher to break those highs that we created. I hope we are clear. Now let's establish what will happen today, brothers and sisters. Okay, let's just establish that. I wanna do this. This was yesterday's movement. I wanna put a Fibonacci and let's see what's gonna happen over there. In fact, we can also do this if you wanna put it all the way on this impulse. We can see where it's actually going over there. As I'm still bullish in terms of sentiment over here, so I want us to sort of expect pullbacks on NASDAQ and we can continue higher. It can respond to this sort of supply, even though this is gonna be a weak supply, so it can respond to it, and then from then on we can get it actually going higher to break those highs today. So during New York, I do expect the market to be buying. So I don't have any specific entry for London. In New York, definitely I will expect entries on NASDAQ. So it's not always where the market gives you a directive exactly what's going to happen, but I do lean towards being bullish on NASDAQ. Let's go to DAX 30. It did align eventually with NASDAQ, but it's still not correlating, right? As I said, you would say they're negatively correlated or inconsistently negatively correlated to each other. Okay, in this case, as you can see, we are still in a bullish trend as well on this one. Okay, we might, okay, I see it. I just want to break down structure here. We got this higher high. The market did break structure over here, or change of character, went back up, and we're actually here. Okay, no, I know what's gonna happen. We're gonna be selling here. If we're gonna be selling, we need to go all the way to this demand over here. Let's just clarify it. I'm gonna go all the way to the H1, so we should not waste any further time. In fact, let's go to 4 hours because there's a demand that I need over here. Okay, so in US30, I do predict that the market should sell all the way to this point. We do see liquidity over there, we do see imbalance, so the market is going to be clearly attracted to that, then actually go up. Okay, let me just see something here. It may actually even break this zone that I've just highlighted over here. So, but until we get there, we get to see the response of the market, then we can be really sure. Okay, so in terms of entry, there is a supply over here. It's a good supply because this supply did actually take out a high. I do like supplies like that. So therefore, we can actually expect the market to actually buy in here and then actually sell. So during New York, I'm expecting more sales to happen. Probably we're gonna still be playing around somewhere here, and then that's when we can actually get to buy. But we'll see if this demand zone that I've just highlighted will hold or what. We'll get to judge that together in the live session. Okay, so that's it for today's intraday market focus. I hope you did enjoy this. Do comment down below on what you also see, either on US30. Please try by all means to be as descriptive as possible with your answer or your comment. And of course, 50% off our mentorship. Do get that for yourself if you want to really invest and really lift up the standard within your trading career. See you on the next video, which is going to be our live session today. God bless you.